Dear student, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our running chapter is chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable. Now taking exercise 2.5, question is solve the following linear equation. Solve the following linear equation. What is the solution? Solution is x. Find the value of x. The question is find the value of x. First question, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. For solving this equation, our method first is basic method. Method first. First of all, we will convert these rational number into integer number, means we will remove denominator part of these. First of all, multiply by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. Now 2 into x by 2 minus 2 into 1 by 5, 2x upon 3, 2 by 4. 2 and 2 can cut, so this is our x minus 2 by 5 is equal to 2x by 3. Now we can cut each other by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 2 divided by 4 is 2. Now next is over 5 multiply both sides by 5. Now this is our 5x multiply by 5. 5 into 2 upon 5 is equal to 5 into 2x upon 3 plus 5 into 1 by 2. Now 5 and 5 can cut. 5x minus 2 is equal to, here 5 into 2 10, 10x upon 3 plus 5 by 2. Next is divide by 3, so we will multiply both sides by 3. 3 will multiply 5x minus 2 and 3 multiply 10x upon 3. 3 multiply 5 by 2. 3 into 5 15, 15x minus 6 is equal to 3 and 3 can cut, so this is our 10x. 3 into 5 15, 15 by 2. Now there are divide by 2, so we will multiply by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. Now 2 will multiply 15x minus 6 is equal to 2 multiply by 10x plus 2 multiply by 15 by 2. 2 into 15 30x, 2 into 6 12, 2 into 10 20, 2 and 2 can cut, so this is our 15. Now transposing 20x to left hand side and 12 to right hand side. 12 to right hand side. Now this is our 30x. 20x is positive, when we transpose it, this will be negative. There is 15. 12 is negative, when transposing this will be positive, this positive. 30 minus 20, 10x, 15 plus 12, this is over 27. There is multiply by 10, so we will divide by 10. Divide both sides by 10. 10x upon 10, 27 upon 10. 10 and 10 can cut. X is equal to 27 upon 10. This is our answer. This is our method number first. Now I am taking method number second. First, let's see what is our method number first. The method number first says the denominator part will be removed by 1 by 1. First of all, they are divided by 2, so we will multiply by 2. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. Here 2 and 2 can cancel. 1 by 5 will be 2 by 5. 1x is equal to 2x, 1 is equal to 2. Now x minus 2 by 5, 2x by 3. These numbers can cut by 2, so this will be 1 and this will be 2. Next is divide by 5, so we will multiply both sides by 5. 5x, 5 into 2 by 5, 5 into 2x by 3, 5 into 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. Here 5 and 5 can cut, so 5x minus 2, 5 into 10, 5 into 2 is equal to 10 and 5 by 2. Next is divide by 3, so we will multiply by 3. Multiply by 3, multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. Now 3 into 5, 15, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 and 3 can cut. Remaining is 10x, 3 into 5, 15. Now there is divide by 2, so we will multiply by 2. Multiply by 2, 15x minus 6, 2 into 10x, 2 into 5 by 2. 2 and 2 can cut. 2 into 15, 30, 2 into 6, 12, 2 into 10, 20, then plus 15. Now 20 will move here, 12 will move here. 20 will be negative, 12 will be positive. 20 is negative, 12 is positive. 30 minus 20 is 10, 15 plus 12, 27. Here is multiply by 10, so we will divide by 10. Divide by 10. 10 and 10 cut. X is equal to 27 by 10. This is our answer. Now I am taking method number 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 time multiplication step we can done by single multiplication step by finding LCM. This number will in denominator form 2, 5, 3 and 4. Method second. Method second is taking LCM, least count number, least count multiplier. Taking LCM of 2, 3, 4 and 5. Taking LCM. The method for taking LCM is this. Now first of all, which can divide smaller number? This is our 2. Now we will divide 2 one time, cannot divide, remain constant. Divide by 2 is 2, cannot divide. This is our 5. Next, the smallest number is 2, so we will divide by 2 again. 1 cannot divide, 3 cannot divide, 2 can divide by one time, 5 cannot divide. Now next smallest number is 3, divide by 3. 1 cannot divide, 3 can divide one time, 1 cannot divide. Next 5 cannot divide. Next is 5, 1 cannot divide, 1 cannot divide, 1 cannot divide, or 5 can divide one time. LCM is equal to, these are numbers which can be divide these numbers. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 5, 60. The LCM is 60. Now taking in this method, in denominator part, we taking LCM of 2, 5, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking LCM of this. Here is a table for finding LCM. Now smaller digit is 2, so we will divide by 2. Dividing by 2. One time cannot divide. 2 time cannot divide. Now next smaller digit is 2, so we will divide by 2. 1 cannot divide, 3 cannot divide, 2 divide one time, 5 cannot divide. Next digit is 3. Now we will divide by 3. 1 cannot divide, 3 can divide one time, 1 cannot divide, 5 cannot divide. Next digit is 5. 1, 1, 1 and 1. Now LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. The answer is 60. The LCM is 60, so we will multiply both sides by 60. Multiply both sides by 60. 60 into x by 2 minus 60 into 1 by 5 is equal to 60 into x by 3 plus 60 into 1 by 4. 2 can divide 60 by 30 times. 5 can divide 60 12 times. 3 can divide 60 20 times. 4 can divide 60 15 times. 2 can divide 60 30. 60 upon 5 is 12. 60 upon 3 is 20. 60 upon 4 is 15. Now transposing 20x to left hand side and transposing 12 to right hand side. Now 20 will move here, 20 is positive, so this will be negative. 30x minus 20x. Here 15 is positive. Now 12 is negative, moving here will be positive. This will be positive. So 15 plus 12 is 27. 30 minus 20 is 10. Dividing both sides by 10. 10x by 10, 27 by 10, x is equal to 27 by 10. This is our answer. This is our answer. The answer is same. 27 by 10, 27 by 10. Let's take beginning from this method. First of all, taking LCM of 2, 5, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now taking LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5. First smaller digit is 2, so we will divide by 2. One time cannot divide. Leave this number. 2 can divide 4 by 2 times. 2 cannot divide 5. Leave this number. Now next smaller digit is 2, so we will divide by 2. 1 cannot divide, 3 cannot divide, 2 can divide one time, 5 cannot divide. Next smaller digit is 3, Now 3. 1 cannot divide, 3 can divide one time, 1 cannot divide, 5 cannot divide. Next digit is 5. 1, 1, 1, 5 will be 1. Now LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 60. Now directly we will multiply both sides by 60. 60 into x by 2, 60 upon 5, 60 x by 3, 60 by 4. This is our equation. 2 can divide 60 30 times, 5 can divide 60 12 times, 3 can divide 60 20 times, 4 can divide 60 15 times. Now transposing 20x to left hand side, 12 to right hand side. 20 is positive, move here will be negative. 12 is negative, move here will be positive. 30 minus 20, 10x, 15, 12, 27. Here is multiplier by 10, so we will divide by 10. Divide by 10, 10 and 10 can cut, remaining is x, 27 by 10. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now taking another question, question number 3. X plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Here denominator part having 2, 3, 6. So taking LCM of 2, 3 and 6. Now 2, 3 and 6. First of all divide by 2. One time 3 cannot divide, so leave this. 2 can divide 6 by 3 times. Next digit is 3. 1 cannot divide, leave. 3 can divide 3 one time, 3 can divide 3 one time. Now division part is over, so LCM is equal to 2 into 3. Answer is 6. LCM is 6, so we will multiply both sides by 6. Multiply both sides by 6. 6 into x, 6 into 7, 6, 8x upon 3, 6, 17 upon 6, 6, 5x upon 2. Now this is our 6x. 6 into 7, 42 minus 3 can cut 2 times, 2 into 8, 16x. Now 6 can divide 6 one time, so this is our 17. 2 can divide 6 3 times, 3 into 5, 15x. Now here the number is 42 plus 6 minus 16, plus 6 minus 16, answer is minus 10, is equal to 17 minus 15x. Now 15x will transpose here and 42 will transpose here. Transposing 15x to left hand side and 42 to right hand side. Now 42 will be transposed, remaining is 10x. Now transposing 15x, 15x is our negative value, moving here this will be positive value. So this is 15x minus 10x is equal to, here is 17. 42 is a positive value, goes here, this will be negative value. This is our negative value. 15 minus 10, 5x. Now this is positive, this is negative, so we done operation of subtraction. 42 minus 17. Now borrow here, this is 12, 12 minus 7, 5. Borrow from here, so this is 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 25. That 25, but larger value having sign of negative, so answer will be negative. Now dividing by 5, answer is minus 5. X is equal to minus 5. This is our answer. So take beginning from this question. Question number 3, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Question is, solve the following linear equation, solve the value of x. Here is a question in fraction form, denominator part having 2, 3, 6. So we will take LCM of 2, 3 and 6. First of all, 2 is a smaller digit, we will divide by 2. One time cannot divide, leave. 2 can divide 6 by 3 times. Now we will divide by 3. 1 cannot divide, 3 can divide 1 time, 3 can divide 1 time. LCM is 2 and 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. LCM is 6. Now we will multiply both sides by 6. 6 into x, 6 into 7, 6 into 8x by 3, 6 into 17 by 6, 6 into 5x by 2. This is over 6x. 6 into 7, 42. 3 can cut 6 by 2 times. 2 into 8, 16. 6 can cut 6, 17. 2 can cut 6 by 3 times. 3 into 5, 15. Now plus 6 minus 16. Plus 6 minus 16. 0, 1, 10. Answer is 10. Answer is 10, but larger digit having sign of minus, so this is minus 10. Minus 10x. 17 minus 15x. Now transposing 15x to left hand side and 42 to right hand side. 15x is our negative value, moving here this will be positive value, minus 10x. 42 is positive value, moving here this will be negative value. 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Now 17 minus 42. 42 and 17. Operation is minus. Operation is minus. We can borrow from here. This is with 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Borrow from here. This will be 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 25. Answer is 25. But larger digit having sign of minus, so minus 25. Here is multiplier of 5. We will divide by 5. Divide by 5. 5 can cut 25 by 5 times. Minus. X is equal to minus 5. This is our answer. Now taking another question. Question number 5. 4, 3, 3. There are 4, 3, 3. So taking LCM. Taking LCM of 3 and 4. 3 is repeated, so we will leave the taking LCM of 3 and 4. Now 3 and 4. First of all, we will divide by 3. 4 cannot divide, so we will divide by 4. 1 and 1. The division is over. First of all, we will divide by 3. 1 time cannot divide, leave. 1 and 4. We will divide by 4. 1 cannot divide. 4 will divide 1 time. LCM is equal to 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Now multiplying by 12. Now multiply both sides by 12. 12 multiply 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 12 multiply by 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 12 multiply 2 by 3, 12 multiply t. Now we can cut 3 times. 3 into 3t minus 2 4 times minus 4 2t plus 3 4 times 4 into 2 12t. Now opening the bracket 3 into 3 90 3 into 2 6 4 into 2 80 minus into plus minus into plus minus. Now 4 into 3 12 minus into plus minus 8 minus 12t. Now this is t and t. 9 minus 8 one time, minus 6 minus 12 both are minus, so this will be addition. Minus 6 minus 12 minus 18. Now transposing 12t to left hand side and 18 to right hand side. Here is first of all t. 12t, the value is negative sign moving here, this will be positive, this will be positive. Here is 8. Now transposing 18. 18 is our negative value moving here, this will be positive value. 1 time 12 time 13. 1 plus 12 13 is equal to 8 plus 18 26. T is equal to 26 by 13. Answer is 2. T is equal to 2. Now take beginning from this question. There are a fraction numbers. In denominator part we are having 4 3 3. Now taking LCM of 3 and 4. 3 and 4. First of all we will divide by 3. One time cannot divide, leave. Now we will divide by 4. Cannot divide 1. 4 will divide by 4 one times. So LCM is 3 and 4. 3 into 4 12. Now multiply both side by 12. Multiply by 12, multiply by 12, multiply by 12 and multiply by 12. 4 can divide 12 3 times, 3 can divide 12 4 times, 3 can divide 12 4 times. Now taking 3, 3t minus 2 minus 4, 2t plus 3, 4 into 2 12. Now opening the bracket 3 into 3 9, 3 into 2 6, 4 into 2 8, but minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, 4 into 3 12, 4 into 2 8, 12t. 8 9 minus 8 1, so this is 1t. Minus 6 and minus 12 both minus, so we will add these number 6 and 12 18, the sign is minus. 8 minus 12t. Now transposing 12t to this side, this will be positive, so t plus 12t. Minus 18 transposing, this will be positive plus 18. 8 plus 18. 1 12 13, 8 18 26. We will divide by 13. This is 2 times. T is equal to 2. This is our answer. In multiplication, plus multiply plus, answer is plus. Now plus multiply by minus, answer is minus. Minus multiply by plus, the answer is minus. Minus multiply by minus, then answer is plus. When plus multiply by plus, answer is plus. Plus multiply by minus, answer is minus. Minus multiply by plus, answer is minus. When minus into minus, answer is plus. You should remember these formulas of multiplication, plus and minus. You can take a screenshot of this. We will take another questions in our another video. Thank you for watching this video.